So it's October, I guess that means we gotta start using pumpkin in recipes. I've got a good one for you today, so stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chu on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm a plant-based RN and I follow the Starch solution. If you're not familiar with the Starch solution, it's a program that was developed by Dr. John McDougall, and following his program, I was able to lose those last 15 pounds. I'll leave a link to his book in the description box below. On my channel, you're going to find quick and easy whole food plant-based recipes. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday and Saturday. You can also follow me on Instagram. And if you're new to this way of eating or feel like you need some more support, I started a Facebook group, and I will leave a link to that in the description box below. So as I said in the intro, it's October, it's pumpkins everywhere. So I have a really good baked pumpkin vegan mac and cheese. So we're gonna whip that up. It's quick and easy, you're gonna love it. So let's get started. So I already have a few things started here. In this pot, I have a sweet potato, carrots, and onion. So we're just gonna boil these until they're soft. I'm also gonna make some pasta. I'm gonna be using this Bonza elbow pasta. It's made from chickpeas. It's got more protein, fiber than regular pasta. We've got 22 grams of protein. This has 13 for average pasta. We've got 8 grams of fiber compared to 3 grams. So it's a really good choice for pasta. So I'm just gonna throw the pasta in, and it's gonna take about 7 to 9 minutes. So what I probably should have mentioned was this is going to be the base of our cheese sauce that we're making for our mac and cheese. I'm gonna throw all of this and some other ingredients into my Vitamix and whip it all up. So the first thing we wanna do is to take the potatoes and the onion and put them in the Vitamix. We're just gonna use a slotted spoon. We want to reserve the cooking water. Then we'll add some spices. We've got some smoked paprika, some garlic, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. We've got 1 cup of canned pumpkin puree. Then we're going to use about 1/2 cup of the cooking water. Okay, I'm going to go blend this up and we're going to add it to the pasta. Before I do that, I got to add some mustard. So I've drained the pasta, put it back into the pan, and now I'm just gonna dump our cheese mixture into the pasta. Also a large handful of fresh spinach. And then we're just gonna mix this all together. Yum. Now we're going to pour all this into a baking dish. Another fun thing you can do is you can put these in individual little muffin tins, so everyone will have their own little bite-sized one, but I'm too lazy to do that today, so I've just got that all leveled out. And then you can top it with breadcrumbs, but so many of the gluten-free breadcrumbs have oil in them, and I'm just trying to stay as low fat as possible. I'm gonna top mine with some potato flakes. It's just gonna give it an extra little crunch. And this is just potato. Now we're just gonna bake this in a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. I mean, it's already cooked. We just want it to get a little crispy on the top. So looky here. It looks beautiful. Got a little bit of crispiness, brownness. Those potato flakes really do the trick. No oil, it's just potatoes. Keeping this really a low fat, calorie density meal. Great for weight loss, great for the holidays. It's got pumpkin in it. You can feed your family, add a salad, and it's perfect. Let's dig in. So here's a close-up look. I love using those potato flakes. They're so versatile. I use them in so many different things. If you don't use potato flakes, I highly suggest you get some and start experimenting with them. They're great for thickening soups, for little crunchy tops like on this mac and cheese. All right, let's take a taste. It's a little bit sweet. The pasta's cooked perfectly. Not too mushy or anything like that. Really holds up. That chickpea pasta is great. Your kids will freaking love this, or your grandkids. And you will too. So I hope you give it a try. Keeping it low fat, whole food, plant-based, no oil, does not have to be boring. There's so much flavor in that mac and cheese. It's delicious. Thanks for sticking to the end. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's great for the month of October, or any time actually. So remember, all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you. If you want some more information about the Starch solution, I'll leave a recipe. Oh my Lord, here we go. On my channel, you're gonna find, you feel like you need some, no. So I've drained the pasta. Ugh. Yummy. Nope. Sure. And make sure that you get, never mind, I'm not going to even say that.